Hey guys, I've got a newer Miele dishwasher here, and today I'm going to show you how to get into the Secret Service program. Kind of like the hidden menu, only the technicians usually know about. First step, switch the machine off. Then hold down the button on the right, switch it back on, and within 5 seconds, press the right button 3 times. And on the third press, just keep holding it. Wait a moment, and boom, the software version shows up. Welcome to the service program. Now you can scroll through the menus with the arrow keys, check different settings, and most importantly, read the stored error codes. You can then pass those on to Miele, or simply tell the service technician over the phone so he can bring the right spare parts along when he comes by. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Cheers, Marcutti.